of our 5 finalists. But right now we have a treat, because if you've never visited Cancun in Mexico's historic Yucatan, you'll certainly want to after Pontip Nakarankanok, our current Miss Universe, takes us on a tour of this unique part of the world.
For every visitor, Mexico's natural beauty and vibrant culture stimulate all the senses. It's a colorful country where colonial Spanish traditions are blended with the heritage of ancient civilization. Bordering the United States, Mexico stretches southward for about 4,200 miles. Cancun is at Mexico's southern end, only a short distance from the spectacular ruins of Chichen Itza. We'll start our tour high above the ball court, a standard feature of nearly all Mayan cities. I'm in the royal box, from which the priest-kings of Chichen Itza would watch the games below. The object of the game was to score points by getting a rubber ball through that stone ring. Rival teams of warriors would struggle to control the ball by using only their hips, elbows, and feet. What we know about Mayan life has been learned from the hieroglyphics and engravings that decorate their walls. The city served as a spiritual center and commercial marketplace for the Mayans who farmed in the surrounding countrysides. The centerpiece of the complex is the Great Pyramid. It is so precisely aligned that you can use it as a calendar, sort of like a giant sundial. There are a total of 365 steps in the pyramid, one for each day of the year. The descendants of the Mayans still live in the Yucatan, farming, speaking the Mayan language, and worshiping their ancient gods in much the same way their ancestors did more than 1,000 years ago. Mexico's many colors are reflected in her handicrafts. The traditions of the past live on in the modern-day Mexico. Old and new exist side by side in the bustling cities which stretch from the Rio Grande to the Yucatan. But Mexico has a lot more to offer, including world-class beach resorts such as Cancun, the site of this year's Miss Universe pageant. This area here is Punta Nizuc, and as you can see, we're not too far from the water. But then again, you're never too far from the water in Cancun, for Cancun is one giant beach. If you're the sporting type, you can enjoy jet skiing, water skiing, windsurfing, and parasailing. Or you can try my favorite sport, shopping. Cancun's sister resorts at Acapulco, Puerto Vallarta, and Mazatlan offer the same broad range of round-the-clock enjoyments. From sunrise to sunset, Mexico's a feast for all the senses.